Action.
Hi, I'm Brianna, and today we will be demonstrating on how to use a micropipette. A micropipette are these dispensers here that are used to distribute volume. Each of them correspond to a certain specific volume needed for your experiment that you will be having. They also correspond to a specific tip that will be used when you are dispensing your solutions. Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Venus, and I will be showing you how to choose the correct micropipette for your pipetting needs and how to select the correct tip. So each micropipette will be labeled with the range of volume that it is able to disperse. And let's say, for example, that you're trying to disperse a volume of 10 microliters. You would want to select a pipette that has 10 in its middle range. So this pipette here goes from 0.5 to 10 microliters. This one would not give you correct accuracy because 10 is at its upper range. So you would probably want to use a micropipette that goes from like 5 microliters to 20 microliters or something like that. So now I will show you how to set the correct volume. So let's say that you want to set your volume to 7 microliters to disperse. First, you would unlock the micropipette here, and then you will where did it go? Oh my gosh. You will turn this knob here and turn it the other way until you get to 7. And then you will once again lock your micropipette. You never want to twist the pipette while it is locked. You don't want to crank it like that. And so once you've set your volume, then you want to choose your tip. All of the boxes with the pipette tips will be labeled, and the label on the box should correspond to the label of the actual pipette. So like the range should correspond to the range here. So this particular box is for 0.1 to 10 microliters, and it corresponds with this pipette. So the way that you take the tip is that you press down, not too firmly, but enough to where it is on there. And then you want to make sure that you don't touch any of the other pipette tips with your hands.
Hi, my name is Lauren, and I'm going to be demonstrating how you're going to actually use your micropipette to take up some of your liquid. So once you have your tip administered to your pipette, the micropipette has 2 stops to it to actually take in liquid. Your first stop, you're going to press down, you'll feel a slight stop, then the second stop, which is where you push even further. If you're going to actually be taking liquid into your pipette, you're going to first push down on the first stop, hold, place it into whatever liquid that you're trying to take up. You're only putting enough of the tip so that it's submerged, but the top of the tip is not within the liquid. You let go of the first stop, and then take the pipette back out of the liquid.
Hi, I'm Annie, and I will show you how to dispose of the to eject the liquid that you have in your micropipette. So once you take up some liquid, the amount of liquid you want from your, solution, then you put it over your either beaker, wherever you want to dispose of the liquid, and then you press down first to the first stop. And then once you're there, press slowly down to the second stop. So once you feel some resistance, press down to the first stop and then all the way to the second stop. After that is there, you can go to your solid waste bin and press this button over here. Press it down to dispose of the tip. And make sure to dispose of the tip every single time you pick up some liquid.